introduce my products. It's named Chicken Wing Clock. So why I call this product is named Chicken Wing? Because my best friend and I really love Korean fried chicken wing. Just kidding. You see, this part is really same like the chicken wing, right? So why is this the product? Let me ask you some question first. Are you still like today? Are you still upset about not getting up on time every morning? Are you still thinking about you feel your alarm clock not ringing every morning? If you answer yes, congratulations to you! Your best friend is coming to you. Dun 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 dun. Okay, now let me show you this product's internal structure. Let me open it. Be careful. As you can see, I only use Arduino board, breadboard, microphone, and micro solo. For this microphone, it's really sensitive. I use a long time to test this microphone. Maybe sometimes I need to write the 10 value or maybe 100 value. Because I don't want you and your friend talking each other on this room and this clock is working. Hi, how are you? This clock can working. Okay, now I finished introduce this product. Let me show you how is the work.